Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to look at iPhone 10 case. So a lot of people have been asking me about durable case for iPhone 10 because this is very expensive and if it falls it'll break because it's glass from front and back. So let's go ahead and take a look at this case. So this one I searched for and got it from the Reliance Digital store. It's not that expensive. It's actually 2,499. I got it for 1,200. So that's not that expensive, and for that I get a really rough and tough case. Let me just open it up and show you. Okay, comes out that way. So let's look at the cover itself. What does it say? So it basically says 100% ultra tough inner shell, eco-friendly materials, quality guaranteed, nothing else. Okay, keep that aside. Okay, so that is the cover. The packaging is good. I mean, okay, let me clean this. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the phone in. Okay, perfect fit. Now it protects everything. Now on an iPhone the problem is, on the iPhone 10 the problem is the camera module is elevated. So if you keep it on a regular normal surface and you get a call, this vibrates so much that it actually moves towards one side. So a lot of people have actually complained about this, that if they keep it on a smooth surface, the iPhone actually moves a lot because of the glass build and the camera notch, which gives it an angle for it to move. So this takes that angle off. Now it's completely flat. So you put that there, it will not move. Secondly, it covers the front also properly. So if you keep it down, face down, it will not touch the screen. So that's also a good thing. So all in all, excellent cover. I'll be using it and then give you the feedback of this later on. But this has got rubber completely on all the sides. One more good thing is the slider button. I mean, normally it's really hard to switch on and off the slider because of the covers, but this one has given a curve on it. The cover has a curve on it, so you can actually switch it on and off so easily. So that's a good thing. You have a transparent back so that you can actually see what color phone do you have. Maybe on a white it might look good too. There are two versions that I've seen, gray version and black one. So you can, if you have white phone, you can go for the gray one. So all in all, excellent cover. That's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.